Hello, I'm Cedric, a cloud support database engineer here at the AWS office in Cape Town. Today, I'll show you how to perform native backups of your SQL Server databases on Amazon Relational Database Service, store these backup files in Amazon Simple Storage Service, and then restore these backups to the same or a different Amazon RDS DB instance. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure that you have an Amazon S3 bucket in the same region as your DB instance. You must also have an AWS Identity and Access Management role to access that bucket. First, let's create an option group and add the SQL Server Backup and Restore option to the option group. Log into the AWS Management Console, then navigate to Amazon Relational Database Services. Navigate to Option Groups, then Create Group. Enter the group name, description, engine version, then create. Next, we'll select the new option group we've just created and add the SQL Server Backup Restore option. Under option name, choose SQL Server Backup Restore. Under IAM role, choose the IAM role you created to access the S3 bucket. Choose Apply immediately, then Add option. Next, let's associate this new option group with the DB instance. Go to Databases, select the DB instance, choose Modify. Under Database option, choose the new option group that we created in the prior step. Choose Continue, review the changes, and modify DB instance. Wait for the status to become available, then connect to the instance in SQL Server Management Studio using the master user credentials. To initiate an unencrypted database backup, run the following query. Once the query has been executed, it will kick off a backup task. After the lifecycle of the backup task shows success, you will find the backup file in your S3 bucket. The override S3 backup file parameter indicates whether to override an existing backup file in the S3 bucket. The default value is 0, but this value doesn't override an existing file. To initiate an encrypted database backup, include the KMS master key errand parameter. For example, to restore a database from S3, you can run the following command. Similarly, to restore an encrypted database, include the KMS master key errand parameter. For example, you can track the status of your backup and restore tasks using the RDS task status procedure. This will show you all the backup tasks that you have executed and whether or not they succeeded. If a task failed, you can drill down into the task info column to get more details. And now you know how to perform native backups of your SQL Server databases on RDS, store the backup files in S3, and then restore these backups to the same or different Amazon RDS DB instance. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.